The lemongrass, in Kiswahili we call it chai chai.
Eh?
We call it chai chai.
Ilang lang tree. In Kiswahili we call it langi langi.
Langi langi.
So this is the flowers are from here.
Uh,
Then we take this piece.
Yeah.
After that we take all this out.
using this also medicine using
Yes.
and masala all this one.
Until saffron, we use this like saffron. How? We take this, dry on sun, but it's not.
Yeah.
This nickname we call Queen of Spice.
From the leaves we make tea or porridge.
Yeah.
Black in different.
Fruit. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. ಎಂಚೆಲ್ಲರು ಮಾತಾ ತುಳುನಾಡ್ದಾಗಲು ಮಾತಾ ಸೌಖ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಅಂದೆ ದೇವರನ ದಯಟ್ ಎಂಕಲ್ ಪೋಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೈಸ್ ಟೂರ್ ಪಂಡದು ಒಂಜಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಗುಲು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಲ್ಪೇರು ಓ ಸ್ಪೈಸ್ ಎಂಚಿನ ಅಂದ್ ಪೂರ ಪೋಯ್ ಓ ಸ್ಪೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮಲ ತೂಕ ಎಂಚಿನ ಅಂದದು ತೂಕ ತಿಕ್ಕಗ ಬಲೆ ಪೋಯ್ using tea. Okay. Chinese dish.
Yes. It's the lemongrass. In Kiswahili we call it chai chai.
Huh?
We call it chai chai in our
chai
language.
chai.
Yeah. Why? Because it a nice smell. If you smell, you can say sound because they're sweet. Yeah. Also we use for cooking.
Yes.
The stem. See, you cut like spring onion, then we put in different
Yeah.
dishes or meat for flavor.
Meaning of masala means there are different types
Ambo.
of spices mixed together very well. You can go to other type of the spices.
What is this for? This is our
This is coffee.
yeah. But be careful, eh?
Hmm.
In our language, if you say coffee, it means
Yeah.
slap.
And that you know that about that tree, you know?
Yeah.
That one, you know. Digestion problem, detoxify the body and remove waste. And if you have stress for some reason, you can take cardamom pod and chew
Yeah.
them, or you can make strong tea because it change completely brain hormones and it make refresh. But while you want to use it without sugar.
With the
And if you want to use all these spices natural way, not the way we use it in our dishes, you have to make a routine to use them. For example, you can start with 1 week. You can take lemongrass, boil together with ginger. Drink it first thing in the morning without sugar in on empty stomach. Stay for 20 minutes. After that, you can have anything. You can have 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup evening. And another week you change. You can use cardamom with cinnamon. Another week you change because everything which have benefit have side effect. And this natural medicine need time to heal, prevent, and cure.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Turmeric also good for the health, fever also.
This is antibiotic. Good for skin. It improve memory, prevent heart disease, good for arthritis, and also we use it for chronic pain. If someone have chronic pain, you can use turmeric. You can just boil it and drink. Grow in 6 months to produce a bean. And the bean have 3 stages. Start from green, yellow, then brown. After turning into yellow color, people harvest them, put in a room where there's no direct sunlight. Leave it to dry for 2 weeks. After that, it will turn into brown color.
Oh,
And here we have bees, but we don't have that kind of bees to do pollination. People
okay.
make it manually by hand. Maybe you can tell me, do you have any idea how they make it manually?
We are making this one only for the plantation, and when getting the seed, we keeping in the dry. After this, selling for the essence and ice cream. Some
So pollination. So pollination,
yeah.
there are only one special bee who can do pollination. We have that bees, but we don't have that kind of bees. Here we don't have that. So vanilla blossoming only once a year. So people come with a sharp stick. Either use a brush and feather, chop it in a male flower to get pollen, then put it in a female flower. That is how we do pollination, to pollinate by hand. Then they leave it. After a few weeks, they will start to produce vanilla. And vanilla is good for mental health, prevent infection, also reduce cholesterol, but not in ice cream.
I yesterday put it on my hair.
Yeah, okay. Cancer, prevent cells from damage. And prevent cells from damage. Vegetarian people, they eat that like meat because it have a lot of protein.
Yeah. The big lychees one.
Yeah.
Fruit.
But it's not.
Yeah.
This nickname we call Queen of Spice. Why? Because we use everything. Leaves, bark, and the root. Total smell different from each
Yeah, this one is using for the skin. This one is cinnamon stick.
Yes. Dachin.
Dalchini.
The dachin. So smell of dachin from the bark. You can smell it. See? Yeah.
Sweet and spice.
And also the root, we call it because it have different smell from each part. From the leaves we make tea or porridge,
Yeah.
bark in different dishes, and the root is medicine, and this have anti everything, and it act like insulin for the blood sugar intake.
Yeah.
And the root,
It's a cinnamon root. You can smell it. See? Smell like what?
Yeah.
What is
It's like a
balance?
medicine, like
yeah, like menthol.
mentho. Yeah.
Eucalyptus.
So if someone have sinus problem, headache, flu, muscular pain, we take the root.
Not all swine. That is the
Lawang.
And we are calling the king because this is the source of income to the
Yeah.
government. People harvest only once a year and sell it to the government, and this is the most exported spice from Zanzibar. It's illegal to export this. Only government can do that. With green, then yellow, then red, at the end black.
This also our place coming, but little bit big size. This one. Yeah. This one using this also medicine using
Yes.
and masala all. This one.
Okay. What medicine we use like this?
Medicine I don't know, but using I know.
Okay. In here we use this like a poor saffron.
Mm.
Because don't saffron, we use this like saffron. How? We take this, dry on sun, and then make powder, ready to use. But don't have the taste or smell for coloring.
Coloring only. Yeah.
Yes. You said we use like spice. But
We are
not
calling that India calling is the Javitri,
Okay.
and that one calling is the nutmeg. What do you say before that? Jaifal.
So, and the nutmeg inside the
That is like cacao. Cornflower. Okay, observe it. Small one. Good for men. To be
Yeah.
strong like lion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And normally here in Zanzibar we use it for stop breastfeeding. If the baby turn into 2 years, we take the jelly and apply it to stop breastfeeding. So the case is closed for the babies.
Okay.
Like vegetable. We take the leaf, we come over here.
Yeah.
You see this? We cut on the top here, then we take this piece.
Yeah.
After that we take all this out.
Okay.
The leaf, then we crush it or pound it together with chili and salt. After that we take it in the dish, we put only little water to boil it for a few minutes. After that we mix it with cardamom, ginger, garlic and onion
Yeah.
with coconut milk.
Oh.
Then we cook it. Then after that we can eat it with rice, with bread, with chapati, with boiled cassava set, with sweet potatoes.
Yeah, sweet potato. ಅಂತದೆಲ್ಲ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ವಿ.
Ilang lang tree.
ಹಾಂ
In Kiswahili we call it langi langi.
ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ.
So this is the flowers are from this tree and it's used for making perfume and soap. So there's a very expensive perfume called Chanel, number 5. The most ingredient they use this ilang lang flowers.
Ilang lang
And here
flower.
we have Chanel number Zanzibar. Number 0 is no chemical added, and we are at cosmetic shop now. You can have a seat and you can see different kind of perfumes. You can have a seat.
Wakaribishwa Zanzibar yetu.
gani muzuri sana, ati wageni wakaribishwa Zanzibar yetu, hakuna
Zaraz misia babci też zrobi zdjęcie, bo tak jak babcia cyka, a sama nie ma.
Liczności, proszę.
Ja mogę wam zrobić.
Możesz nam zrobić, tak.
Asante.
Okay, here there's tea, and this tea is mixed with different spices. There's ginger tea, cardamom tea, vanilla tea.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂಡ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಲ್ಪ್ಲೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಲ್ಪ್ಲೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಲ್ಪೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ದ ಮರ